I am making chicken salad sandwiches for dinner using canned chicken, and so let me show you what I'm going to make so you can make it too. I am starting off with a pint of canned chicken. This is almost 2 full chicken breasts that has ended up in here. Okay. Pop it open. I'm actually gonna put the juice in here too, at least for now. You can see what it looks like. You gotta get a fork and kind of scrape it, and you get all these little flaky bits of chicken. This is what it looks like. Don't mind the Little Bear theme song in the background. It's keeping my kids occupied. So, next I have a couple of vegetables. I have some onion, and this is a yellow onion. I'm only gonna use about 1/4 of it because it was a massive onion. Super finely diced. This is what it looks like now. Next, I'm going to very finely dice some celery. Probably just do these 2 stalks. The celery needs to be used, so we'll throw it in there. This is what it looks like. Super tiny. We're gonna add that in. This is what it looks like now. Okay, now I'm gonna add in a little bit of minced garlic, but I don't want it to be too much. So I'm just gonna do like 1/2 of a teaspoon. I love garlic. Okay. And then I'm going to take 1 radish and dice it up super finely in there as well. All right, and the last vegetable that I'm gonna add is just a slice off of this yellow bell pepper. Okay, now I'm going to add in a generous spoonful of some mayo. You need more peanut butter too? Did you eat all of yours?
Peanut butter.
Are you sure? Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna take what I have left of this French onion dip, which isn't a ton, and we're gonna scrape all of that in there as well. Good sprinkle Himalayan pink salt across the top, and then a good sprinkle of ranch seasoning. And that's it for this. I'm going to cover it and stick it in the fridge, and then I'm gonna toast some bread, and we're gonna eat this on a sandwich for dinner. This is what it looks like. Super easy, quick, good to throw together. Lots of protein, lots of veggies, lots of nutrients. Great summertime meal.